In this walkthrough, we will set up an IPROG SMS account, complete verification, copy the API token, and test the Send SMS request in Postman. First, open the account menu and choose Register. This starts the setup for API access. Create your account using Google, GitHub, or Facebook. Social login helps prevent fake accounts. Before using the SMS API, complete account verification. This is required together with an approved SMS template. If this is for a student project, choose Student and enter the project title, description, school, course, and team members. If this is for a company, choose Business and provide the registered business details. Next, define the SMS header and optional footer. The template controls how messages are formatted when they are sent. After submitting, the account verification shows as pending. Wait for admin review before testing the API. Once approved, your account is ready to use the API as long as the template is also approved. On the dashboard, copy your API token and open the API documentation. You will use this token in each API request. In the documentation, use the Send SMS endpoint. The required parameters are API token, phone number, and message. Finally, send a post request in Postman. A successful response returns status 200, a queued message, a message ID, and a status link. That is the full testing flow. Once the account and template are approved, use the API documentation in Postman response to confirm your SMS integration is working.